Yes, people, you don't know Wakaman is back on here. Right now, you don't know where it's going. I'm locked on here this morning. It had no cussing this morning. I want to spread the video rock bulletin and rock and come in. Because let me tell you something. You come this morning. That man is sending the Almera. They take out 50 here. They make waste of time, boy. Boy, let me tell you something. You see, when I was not a believer, oh, look at that, get me frightened, boy.
I'm still blessed.
When I was not a believer of God, oh, look at that, get me frightened, boy. But when I get to know God, I don't afraid nobody, boy. You could go with the housewife, my nasty ex-wife. You could go up there and do a video, but you making yourself an ass by everybody on Facebook that's supporting that man, that woman in a way, and that Silochan family. Let me tell you something, people. Hear this song in the background. Still in love to you. Come again, Baba Steve. Still sending love to you. Come again, Ria Silochan. Come again, Angela Silochan, Richard Silochan, Jai Boss. Come again. I will pray God all the time, boy. All you can't frighten me, boy. One bullet could kill me. All you come with camera, all you shit snake, boy. Baba Steve come to Rubai, I get wood. Know the kind of fella I is in Maxine, bro. How much years you know me? And let them know the kind of crazy man I is. And let them know it's all goon for them, boy. It's all goon for them, boy. Nasty bad mind people. They're wicked in Trinidad and Tobago. They're nasty in Trinidad and Tobago. All the heads on them. Trinidad and Tobago, coming into the topic today, I want to tell you something. You see that house Waigiria? Now in the base, the problem, Michael, they can't take the right thing, Waka. That what they do, what they don't like for themselves, don't do it to others. Angela Silochan, Angela Silochan, Angela Silochan. You're going up in coal mine, your big daughter Muma, and you take the son Nicholas to come back, and all your, that man they call Jai Boss, the Bullaman Jai Boss, and the next Bullaman Arnold Jordan. Them only Bullaman in the base. My daughter getting up every day, and when she get up, the first thing she seeing is 2 Bullaman. They can't take the teaching Richard Silochan. No, they can't do me nothing by it. I don't afraid all by it. I don't afraid none of all it. I don't afraid to dead. But it's all you're afraid to dead because we're all you're working hard for. All you can't leave it Trinidad and Tobago and the world. I'm spreading this message to the world to let them know that they can't take it. You're running by my house and do video. What are doing me? That making yourself look like an ass. Good morning, Patrick Stout. I go in and feed people, bro. I cook the food. My success harassing them. Patrick Stout is my friend. I will cuss up Patrick Stout and I tell him, hey, Patrick Stout, all your mother so and so, your wife and this one and all kind of thing. And next 5 minutes we is friends. And I have plenty of my friends. Me and you and that fall out. Me and Nikki just fall out. Me and everybody just fall out. But let me tell you something. They love Waka. They know I may have my way, but they know my heart, brother. And you see that you are net boy? Let me show you how things is work. We is best friends with brothers, boy. You and Ned, you know, as we leave the doubles place yesterday and I talk about them, you see the shoot one of the doubles man right there? But I had the power, boy. Anytime I go somewhere, something happening. Now you and Ned and Ely, and I want to tell all of this morning, right? Once I know I dying for the truth, once I know I dying for the truth, I don't fear. Because I want to go in heaven. Or I want to go in a good place when I die. So I want to live a good life and sacrifice it out here for the people and them who locked on. Me a cousin. Me in that thing. And let's share the video this morning. I wanted to reach as much people as they could reach. Because they want to kill me. The police calling me and saying they got mass up and kill me. Next man coming and take out my pit here. And people tell me here on the Facebook. The neighbor upstairs come. Call me. Waka waka. I say yeah. But I know home. I just park my vehicle here and I just go somewhere. She said somebody taking out pit here in the vehicle. I say, where he gone Monday? She said, he no leave. I said, blaze down that car. They said, nah. They asked the man, they asked him, why you taking up it here so? He said he go in Marabella station to bring the police. But I don't give a damn about the police. The whole industry and the whole world know my van. The whole police know my van when they lock me up the morning buying it. Viewers all over the world know my van. What by them people and them, what they're trying to do, they can't frighten me, Baba Steve from Turuba. Go up in 500. You go see. If I only know, but you see, it happened too late. You better get a quarter in 500. Let me catch you 500 now. Let me catch you in 500. When I up there, when my boys up there, they have some fellas want to shave you, you know. Them men, they want to shave you, you know. Them fellas, them from down in the sea lots, where you interfere with Nikki. They want to shave you there, you know. That's why you're running all about by the Muslim, and the same Muslim, them going and jam you. The same Muslim, them going and jam you, Trinidad and Tobago. I not on war. But them fellas, them trying all out to kill me, all out to do this, pay money here. That nasty Ramrat Ashok, because why? Here it is, Monish Temple, Baba Steve, Tall Boss Jr., who do the nasty prayers with me. Send me mad Trinidad and Tobago, and then he put on a papetian and saying, I'm mad from the base by Nicholas Baliram. Get your ass and go back up Komoto. You see what happened to your foot, Nicholas Baliram? Yes, I saw that video. You see, the boy who called Nicholas Baliram, it had a time he was staying there when me and Ria was fighting. And when Ria and I do the 4 o'clock prayers, Nikki, and I had to trip off. And we started a fight when I tell Ria that the mother saying X by Y. You know what happened? Here what happened. Richard them come with a gun and come with Nicholas. Nicholas, you're going to be going on the wrong road with your uncle them. Them is waste of time. They may have no moral value. All they want to do is go and walk and buy everything and feel that is everything. They have no moral value and attitude in their life, brother. Them fellas, them so wicked. Them know I grieving for my child and will send my child. But them is not human beings, boy. Them is not human beings, Trinidad and Tobago. So let's spread the video, Rock Bulletin, and Rock and come in. Let the world know that what's going on here. Dan man, spread this video, brother. Me a cousin and me a come to Gion. This is a video how to reach to the world. So when anything happen, and when it come into, all you're going to know. Let the public at Trinidad and Tobago and let the world know and see what them doing. Because I don't talk to the white man Matthew already, you know. I don't talk to them about Wassa already, you know. I don't talk to them and tell them investigate Wells Department, you know. Them is the kind of things I come to talk about. Them can't talk about them things. Them only know to go and rob people in the days by. People all don't go and do no prayers by them people and them. Don't go by Ramraj Ashok. Don't go by Monesh Temple. All they wasting all their money and they can't take it. They can't take it, Trinidad and Tobago. You realize I have the half of Trinidad and Tobago, 3/4 of Trinidad and Tobago willing to back me by? Because they know the truth. People know the truth. Ezekiel Clark. Yeah, the man saying how you this, you that. Daniel some synergy. They saying how you give me book for my child. Eh? That is what they can't take. You see the old van I have? Just imagine an old van I have. Born in the eye. Trinidad and Tobago and the world and everybody that locked on, all them could do is come behind a profile and text with a fake profile. When I calling them in to be debate they're running, I giving my life by. Is I come in and talk the truth. I doing what I have to do here. I had the gods with me. None of all your boy. None of all your boy. Go in 500. Go up in 500 and feel and see that not doing me anything. I give my ex-wife the house by with my good heart by. I give she that and my daughter and I walk the road to Trinidad and Tobago. You know why? That's how my heart is. I think a million times. A million times when I get offered $300,000 Rio and Ned. And the next man offer me $500,000 to buy the house. What do you and Ned? Eh? Or what yesterday? A man come. He wore pants. I take out the brand new pants with my tag and give him it. I have bananas. I look for the best banana and I give the man it. I'm cooking food. I don't have myself. And I'm cooking food. I'm going to make sure and feed somebody. You feel I want money for that? I ask anybody on Facebook for a cent here. If I ask Simeon Soma and I call you, me I ask for no money. Patrick Stout, I ask for any money. Miss Hazel Khan, Stacey Ramrup, how much months from since chat the money? Enter seeing about myself? That is all you can take, boy. That is what all you can take. So this morning, I want all you to know that the new song coming out. The new song coming out for them.
Too much a bad mind. Too much a bad mind. Too much a bad mind. People. Too much a bad mind. Too much a nobody knows.
Too much a bad mind people.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. You're living today, you die in this way. Sleep and death is one, but they never say. Too much a bad mind people. Bad mind people. Tell me how come the road them so. Photo in the road, box train wide so. Too much a bad mind people. Bad mind people. Tell me how come tea and tech so. You're living in the bush, but paying bills so. Too much a bad mind people. Bad mind people. Tell me how come what's of them so. You're paying for the water, but nobody knows. Too much a bad mind people. Bad mind people.
You gain the world and you lose your soul. One day to come, the truth will unfold. House, land, car and money, none of them things you could carry when you bury my name Waka. I know Baba, when you see me come, bad mind scatter. Anything I say, don't believe nothing, but the fish from the head, it is rotten. The system was designed by chiefs and parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. Justice system killing we, 1% benefit from criminality.
Too much a bad mind people, too much a bad mind people. Nobody knows.
All they don't know.
Nobody knows.
All them cause reason.
DMP, they blind, leave they blind. Jesus coming, don't waste no time. I set dark up the cat gaze and crook. The radio, the TV, the money where you took. The youth, the kids, and the children. Nothing in place for their future problem. The government thief all the money and leave TNT in real poverty. The crime rate getting so high. Millions spent and crime can't die. Bombs on your family, police get bail. Politicians making laws to prevail.
Fancy thing that please me. House, girl, but nothing that easy. Too much a bad mind people. Bad mind people. Tell me how come the crime is so. Millions on the crime, but the crime can't go. Too much a bad mind people. Bad mind people. Tell me how come the rich like so. The China exporting the rich like wow. Too much a bad mind people. me how come the hospital so no bed for the people, but the people never know. Too much of bad mind people, bad mind people.
Yes, people, this is King Waka.
Alright, let me ask you a question. Who I they spray to? Now, let me show you how the critics them just come and hear how easy to deal with them. Right? Ray Hart. Ray Hart. I don't know if your heart have a fat in it. Ray Hart. Who I they spray to? I don't pray to nobody by. You ever see God? Ray Hart with the fat. You ever see God? If you see God, come and tell me. Look, you see him God here. Look, God here. Right? Ray Hart the fat. The Ray Hart with the heart of the fat. The bag of fat. Ray Hart. Bro? You ever see God? What religion is God? And what language is God? By all only brainwash people by. As that a brainwash cacaos all is.
It hot in me, girl, to see that you're gone. But I will beat the liquor and I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, the house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor. So it hot in me, girl, to see that you're gone. But I will beat the liquor and I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, the house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor. And I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, the house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor.
Hey, I come to jam on boy. Toll Boss Junior, this shit of all you do. Hey, Toll Boss Junior, you send me in Chuck the Monarch mad boy. And you get Nicholas sick by Nicholas Body Ram, one of them know everything. That Toll Boss Junior which is Jai Boss, the buller man from the base. When you're going in my Koro farm, when you're going inside the Hunter living, down in the back with that shit temple they had there, that Mother Kali is mine, and the Nag Baba snake is mine. I will upset that temple there, because all they're doing shit, because look how we're doing better now. Yeah.
See that you're gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
It hot in me, girl, to see that you're gone. But I will beat me later, and I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor. So it's hot in me, girl, to see that you're gone. But I will beat the liquor and I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, the house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor.
$12,000 I paid for my song and them. I don't want to cut. Already. I working hard.
When you're liming Cora, we eat it la pangona with white oaks by the bottle from Angostura. We had the music playing and all the drinks them calling and everybody dancing when Waka song playing. So if hot in me, girl, to see that you're gone, but I will beat the liquor and I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, the house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor. So it's hot in me, girl, to see that you're gone. But I will beat the liquor and I'm taking on that one. Take all the money, the house and motor car. But one thing you can't take me, bottle of liquor.
Kill them out now with the song.
Too much a bad mind.
Spread that video.
Too much a bad
Spread that video, Rock Bulletin.
Too much a bad mind. Too much a nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
You're living today. die in this way. Sleep and death is one, but they never say too much bad mind people.
Oh, good. Ryan,
tell me how come the road them so. Photo in the road, box train white so. Too much bad mind people. Bad mind people. Tell me how come tea and tech so. You're living in the bush, but
we don't need to show the food. We don't need to. We don't want no pips, boy. We doing it not for life, for love.
What's them so? You're paying for the water, but nobody knows too much bad mind people.
Yeah, my lyrics now.
You gain the world and you lose your soul. One day to come, the truth will unfold. House, land, car and money, none of them things you can carry when you bury my name Waka. I know Baba, when you see me come, bad mind scatter. Anything I say don't believe nothing, but the fish from the head it is rotten. The system was designed by thieves and parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. Justice system killing we 1% benefit from criminality.
Too much bad mind people.
Thanks to God, boy. It's God I'm ever living by. It's God I'm out of trouble. It's God I'm jamming all here.
The blind lead the blind. Jesus coming, don't waste no time. I set that copycat gaze and crook. The radio, the TV, the money where you took. The youth, the kids, and the children. Nothing in place for their future problem. The government thief all the money and leave TNT in real poverty. The crime rate getting so high. Millions spent and crime can't die. Bunks on your family, police get bail. Politicians making laws to prevail.
Fancy thing not please me. House, girl, but nothing not easy. Bad mind people, bad mind people. Tell me how come the crime rate so. Millions on the crime, but the crime can't go. Too much bad mind people, bad mind people. Tell me how come the rich like so. The crime exporting rich like wow. Too much bad mind people, bad mind people. Tell me how come.
No, I want to tell you something. Where he may be hungry, but he not asking anybody for nothing. Thank you very much. I want nothing from nobody. I will help people. Them kind of people, them solo help people. Here, I now come to talk something, Miss Tara, and Tara hear this. Here I come and say, you see the rich people and them? When natural disasters and problem happen, where is White Oak? Where is Tag? Where is Tag? Patrick Stoke, I asking anybody for anything? I asking you for something, Patrick Stoke? I asking Baltimore, I asking all of anything? But I want to work for my money, boy. Baltimore, them and my friend, them start me. Them say, Waka, we want to see you good. And when you good, then we good to go. All of you, I want to be begging, man. I just wanted to start back my life when nasty UNC thief my money. And the nasty ex-wife and the nasty in-laws team up with Baba Steve, Jai Boss and the temples and them. Because they try to set me up. They try to set me mad. Because my mother dead outside and my sister dead. Baba Steve, for a big man, you going up and putting up a man, mother. You know how happy with your wife and mother. But the gods them know, they may do me nothing, boy. I have pity with your son, boy. I have pity with you, boy. I have pity if I could jam you, boy. Will you going up there and doing things and making yourself an ass, boy? You and Rhea and that base, all of it is a waste of time. All of it texting, Nicholas Baliram, your mother from coal mine. Your mother said how you're gone back by that nasty people. And Nicholas, that is your mother. Get out from that base. Angela C. Lochan, you too wicked. You want to see the little boy come down by you and you, the woman grieving for your child. If your son leave by you, will you just tell him to do? You all your children wrong, yeah, Angela C. Lochan. That big thing, Selras Mahabir. Selras Mahabir, I go in by your house and record it now. All I want to play thing, I go in today, show down by the place and record Selras Mahabir, Poppy Pitié, and show you how Rhea going and run. I go and show them pity with Rhea and Diane and I go and pull up the whole family them. I have pity with them. I want them go to court and pull out the case. I want she go. Let she make a jail. I want she go. Play with me, play with this zombie. Take chain up from Stacey Ramrup. That Hazel Kano man. She keep telling you go and put me in court. You take chain up for your brother them. And you take chain up from people. That's why your life so today, Rhea. You're not happy. You're nasty. You come crying. Nikki should have taken you when you was crying. Take your tape and pull you up now. You don't see how you don't feel. But you take the girl picture, hack in my profile and take the girl picture. But I have nothing to hide by. The whole world I could show things. Because Rhea have all my access and everything to everything which she could do. I have nothing to hide. That's everybody can take. You understand? They're taking it far now. I would never. Johan Ned, and yesterday, when I tell you I could send you Baba Steve wife pit here, and I tell me yes, send it. Johan Ned, let the people in them text and see. I say, Johan Ned, here, beat you with love, boy. Leave you, let you do that. Because if your wife only find out what's going on, she personally going up in Moloney and take up she brother and she cousin, the army man, and the next one, and go and put a cutter on him. That army man don't make joke. That uncle of yours, and your wife own. He big and strong, and anytime that man real bad. That man don't care about the force and thing. He will beat you real bad, Baba Steve. He will beat you all the mouth. Somebody want to beat you live on Facebook and put it up. Because you know what? I don't care if somebody rush me and I don't care because I don't give a damn about nobody. But people want to beat you and put you on Facebook live when they're cutting your ass. I hear all the talk, all who coming for you. All of them who teaming up for you. You see Brian Bachelor done paying the Muslim to fuck you up already. Sorry for cussing. It is alleged. Brian Bachelor, it is alleged. And they're calling the Muslim. Who want money you give the Muslim to jam Baba Steve? Brian Bachelor. But I come and jam your temple. I'm going up today and show all you about the faking temples and the power they're catching. Tall Boss Jr., he did do so and jump on the ground and roll. But he that shit snake by Jai Boss, you almost dead, eating champagne glass. You feel we know about you and talking about Emmanuel Bones and Coffin Box and all them bullshit you had there. You're mixing the Kaliachi temple with the Hindu. That be the big Obia man tell me. All I want to see where you sing now are going on by the Obia man who you went by for help. For Nicholas. Are going down by the Obia man, Tall Boss Jr., Jai Boss, Richard Zilochan and the Base family. Are going down by that Obia man. And are going to shoot a video live. And show all you what is what. I don't give a damn about 500 and them neighbors and all of them, boy. I don't give a damn about a house, boy. They're so nasty, Ria is. I give Ria the house. I have the 2 receipts where I pay money, boy. I'm going to put it up on Facebook just now. Trinidad and Tobago, as a cut off here, I'm going to show you a receipt where I just went there and paid $12,000 in AGC and still give Ria the house. And still get $3,000 and give my father to pay for his own too. That's how bad I is. And pay for recording my song and open my business. Right? And paying a loan. Because every most millionaire, they will have a loan. They will go. For you to be a millionaire, you have to owe. I'm here owing nobody like you, Baba Steve, for your health and your kidney. Because you're not a jam here. So I want to let us spread this video, Rock Bulletin, and let them know what they're doing, man. That if any fellas from the bottom, fellas from all about police, it's not a ranking thing, but I let them all know where it's coming from. So anytime, anything, and whatever happen, all I don't know. I don't get back the yes already, Trinidad and Tobago. Because I want to jam Wassa, jam Wells Department, jam Wassa board, waste of time as they investigate them men going and get locked up like Malin Subway, Malin Clinic. All of them going and get locked up. As they investigate Wassa board, like the end of PNM. Madam Kamla, if you want PNM to drop down one time, go and investigate the Wassa board, Wells Department. Wells Department, you're going to see all the bosses and crooks and all of them in one. You're going to see all of them thieving all the money. And you're going to see how much of them going to get locked up. If all you want PNM to lose election in 5 minutes, go and investigate Wells Department. Investigate what's happening. And all you're going to see what happened. So Trinidad and Tobago, that's what I want to tell you. All them big companies that have money, nobody are coming out. It don't need poor people go help the poor people. It don't need people like me that willing to stand up. It have nobody in Trinidad and Tobago, ICC, and fit to run this country. Because they know God. They play, they know God. Baba Steve play, he know God. Tall Boss Jr., Jai Boss play, he know God. Monish Temple, them play, they know God. But stop the blood prayers and see them fellas, them live now. Stop the prayers on going in a temple and putting coconut and that bullshit, by. God don't want them thing, by. God only want your heart, by. You can buy God with 10 coconut and 5 dashin and 50 pound of coal and 20 pound of milk and 5 goat and 7 hog puja for Parmeshmi. But Ogar Baba, waste of time. How you Ogar Baba can't do me nothing? Eh? How them can't do me nothing? How the Leketu Jumbi can't do me nothing? But it affected everybody. The next, punching rum. The reason why them Bulaman gain power is because of the nasty spirit in the rum. You see the rum spirit? The rum spirit, we're causing that Trinidad and Tobago. It giving them powers. It giving them the rum spirit. That by them Bulaman, them had to drink rum and had to feed the Deutas rum. Because it had 2 gods out here by left and right, by which one are they serving? It had 2 puppies on your shoulder that is, hey, do this, hey, do that. It have two roaming out here. Two forces. And the forces are there to destroy you. It have one more powerful to protect you. And I find, I dig in and find and trying to teach all your crystal law. You know where they want to do me? I want you to watch back the video and spread this video, rock bulletin, and spread it all in the group. It ain't not cussing nothing. It had the truth come out, mama. Ria and them can't take it. Baba Steve go by the house where I used to live and play doing video with Ria them. Now how they make themselves look now, y'all? Crystal law, you and Ned, and everybody that locked on, Ryan Anthony, you know all why I used to go through. How they make themselves look now? When they interfere with the young girl, because you know why? It's the cemetery work we're doing on all the boy, turning up all the boy. And the more they go to me, I not on all you. If I wasn't all you, I deal with all of myself. Boy. If I wasn't all you, I deal with all of myself. Good morning, Rena, how you going? Yes, too much spirit. In rum. Is the rum spirit helping the Bola man them? Is them rum spirit giving them the power? Is them rum spirit how them going with it? Is them rum spirit bringing money for them? Because they're feeding the rum spirit could give you anything, boy. But when you drink rum, you go do anything. When you drink rum, all the men, when they drink rum, they're bullying in the bottom. Women too, when they drink rum, you're horning your man. You only walk Creole, man. When young girls smoke weed and they drink rum, they only running for Creole. That's the spirit, boy. Like Fat Sati from the base, way on your husband with the Creole man, nice little Indian boy, gone and carry my ex-wife with the nasty chen when time on my Sharon Otto to go and do the obia with the 4-cock press. How will they help you? I still at the 4-cock gi, I offer it, and I offer it the whole house burning and everything gone bad. But I offer it up to let the world know what you was doing. Because I don't afraid to dead. That's the power I get. The power I get is to drop down all you. Ria encouraging the blasted bacchanal. Very good, very good, very good. Is she that want me to walk the road and smoke cocaine? Is Nikita Pollard, who is to carry me on the block? The same rum spirit go backfire in them. Thank you very much. Amen, amen, amen. I go and feed people now, Crystal. Look, I now cook food and thing here. I'm going to organize, pick up somebody. You and Ned come down here and meet me now. I'm going to pick up the young boy. We go swing around so, drop out we things so, go so, and carry food all about, and that's how we go do it, brother. Right? I'm going to pick up the young boy and I'm going to, I have everything. I have everything. I have everything and me don't want nothing from nobody. I have money in my pocket. I have everything and I have money in my pocket. Me no beggar boy. That way they can't take Trinidad and Tobago. And name this. Falcock prayers again. Nasty Junior pulling up me and saying I'm mad. But when I go to do the prayers by you, you didn't say I'm mad. And when they make me do the prayers and you're dancing like a bulla man and carry the cockhead by Gangamata, the same night and chop the mother catch off. All the don't go in the prayers. Nicholas Baliram leave the mother them. Nicholas Baliram leave by the mother. They leave by the mother and Raymond them go and pick up Nicholas. That's the end of him. And they see Nicholas, your foot, where they do the hog sacrifice, that your foot you're nearly dead. I'm going to call your mother, which is Ria's sister. I'm going up by them to talk about all you. I'm going by Ria's sister. Muma are coming and don't afraid them. Muma will beat up all you. I'm going by Muma and let Muma pour up all your mothers. All your own sister and own family go and pour all you. Trinidad and Tobago. Ria, that's the end of you day. Go to court. The only final thing it reached to is to go and take out a court matter. And I'm willing to go along the road. Because 2 of we have to make a jail. 2 of we have to make a jail because I have witness and I have one amount of people coming to court with me. They come into court. Yeah, you get a box of food, Nikki. And the children them too. Right? Sally, Vivian. And I tell you, I'm sending some food for you today with the children. Baba Steve bringing you down. You turn around and say, Wakaman, use a brother by. Use a soul here by. It coming out nasty Ria Silochan. Nasty Ria Silochan. You're trying to ban my song on YouTube? Eh? Dancing in the wedding. I have a video like, right, yes, send the video for Bullaman Tallboss Jr. Dancing in the wedding like a Bullaman and going on the ground and he's a pundit. That way all encouraging in the base, Angela Silochan. Angela Silochan, Steve Silochan, run them from the base, boy. Run them fellas them. Ronnie, you is a girl. Ronnie, you is a shitong. You see the day when I come there, Ria telling me call you out, but I don't give a damn about you, boy, Ronnie, boy. You are piles, boy. You have to go every 10 days or every month and fix your piles. And more piles in the family coming. more zombie coming for you. It go fall on all you, you know. It go fall on all your children, you know. It go fall on all your children, you know. You see the wickedness Angela Silochan, your nasty daughter doing. It going to fall on your children, them, you know. Shane and Richard and them fellas and them go have children, you know. They go have children, you know. And when their daughters are doing them wickedness, you go cry, Angela Silochan. You go cry. You see you done, due respect, I love you. But you see what has happened to you? You realize what's going on with your life, Angela Silochan? I had to jam you too because you're encouraging it. For a big old man, you saw your hand there and you broke up. I sorry to say it, I sick. You didn't mind my daughter and I love you. But is the truth are talking? Is the truth are talking about Tall Boss Jr., the base and the Obia man that the people that them burn up, the man that burn up, why he was doing prayers and he burn up with the prayers. That the Obia man that tell me Tall Boss Jr. gone for help to fix the little boy called Nicholas Baliram. That is the man tell me everything by Tall Boss and I'm going to do a video by he. All I want to do video, I go show you how videos to do now. I am all you know. Super chat Mr. Thank you very much, brother. I am all you know. I coming for all you know. I said that nasty people. You all feel afraid all you. Who want to come and kill me? Come. Don't come and take up a tears, come with a gun. Waste of time, boy. All you can't frighten me, boy. Anybody catch anyone all you. If I the only come up and see, and if man call me, man, and catch that, me right there, I'll chop up all you. I'll blaze down that car with a 16 gauge. I'll crack it with a white bullet. I'll crack all it with a white bullet. Crack, crack, pow! Crack, crack, pow! Scatter it and all that. All that see speed. You're that see speed. You're with a see speed. But I'm not out to kill nobody. I'm not out to do nobody nothing. Because I know my God above. And if I is a Obia man, and I really powerful by doing, I don't need to pull no gun by. That is what I've proven to all the children. And Tobago. Yeah, my sister-in-law say that. My own sister-in-law say that. My own, the next one, not the one I'm talking to. So the whole family in the base, there's bad talk all the way. They just laugh at all the way. And all they turn your back, they saying all you're nasty. Look, Waida leave all you. Waida say all you're nasty. Waida, thank you. Thank you. Flung, thank you. Flung and Waida, all you correct with them by, all they wicked towards Steve Silochan, and the next people who want meet, who is to go in the base, all you say they're nasty, they're always fighting in the base. Every time they do a press, next 5 minutes they're cussing and fighting. But I'm going with the neighbors in the base, house to house. House to house are going in the base. I'm going and be on all you know. All your mothers, love all you. All you don't know. Spread this video. And out of all the kicks and fun, life is a serious joke. And I want all to know that. That success with an old van, success anyhow, no matter how it is, once it's success, that is what it makes people fight. Trinidad and Tobago love all you. Beat people with success. That is the remedy here all the time. Let your success talk. Love all you. Bye-bye.